gradually it became from part-time to full-time. And kind of in US, it's women-oriented business wherein you have a flexibility of working hours. So you'll find most of the women in this. So when it was a point to come back to India, I said I want to get that women empowerment in India. So landed here. That was like carrying 10 years real estate experience in US. It was quite difficult, but I continued because this is my passion. And it kind of now has become a flow. I know the market, a lot of things now I can relate to, understand, and definitely in niche projects and the project. So it's been a great journey.
But any interesting episodes where you really gave a great benefit to your client? Maybe post-purchase.
I kind of have a lot of, but one of them I would say that this particular person from Bombay wanted to buy something for his second home, but that was like a big ticket price, and he wasn't sure where to put his money. So kind of gave him a very good option in the niche projects. And now he's the owner of a beautiful villa.
Oh, that's very interesting.
On our upcoming Pune's outskirts. Beautiful view.
So he must be blessing you.
Yes.
Thankful that he met you. So we want this to be repeated again and again. And people watching this video will want to know if their fortunes can change with your advice. I'm sure it can.
I'll be more than happy to do that. Having so many years experience and expertise in this in real estate.
And you understand property. That is most important for real estate.
Now I can call myself an expert in real estate of particular segments. And definitely I'll be fortunate and I'll be lucky to advise people. I'll be honored that if people can benefit from my suggestions, why not?
So can you share your contact details?
On the screen.
On the screen, Kavita will be putting her mobile, email,
screen,
ID and WhatsApp, of course.
Yeah, I'm not going to speak my name number.
No, she wants. It comes scrolling on the
I'm
screen.
asking now, you should have a website so that we can use that website.
It's coming. It's work in progress. That is the job of Broker City. Mr. Vinod Rajpurohit, the media guy.
Signing off from Broker City.
And this will be coming to you very soon online. And we can have virtual Google Hangouts, which she's going to have broadcasting of our Google Hangouts very shortly. So look forward to us connecting in various interesting ways from home and then maybe taking it forward. Thank you, Kavita, for this lovely interview. You are inspiring all lady brokers to become like you, improve the quality of brokerage in India, which I'm sure most of the NRIs are looking forward to. Even I have that experience.
Pleasure is mine.
And here is one leading broker who is going to empower buyers for property. Thank you, Kavita.
Pleasure is mine.